In the name of Allah, the most kind, merciful, and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online class. Hope you all will be fine. This is our lecture number 9 of English. And the topics we shall discuss in this lecture are from English A, we shall do chapter number 4, that is an exhibition, and we shall do translation of page number 21. Then from English B, we shall discuss story, that is the kindness of Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. First of all, we shall do chapter number 4 and exhibition, translation, page number 21. These are the meanings. First of all, you will write them on the book. Asked, पूछा, pictures, tasawir, coins, सिक्के, rare, नायाब, postcards, other countries, दूसरे ममालिक, seashells, समंदरी घोंगे. Here is the paragraph. Mr. Qazi then asked the class if they had a hobby. Sadiq, sir, I have been collecting pictures of great leaders. I'll bring my collection of pictures. Asif, sir, I have been collecting coins. I'll bring them too. Some of those coins are very rare. Shiraz, sir, I have been collecting postcards of other countries. I'll bring those. Aslam, I have been collecting seashells. Now translation. Mr. Qazi then asked, फिर पूछा the class जमात से if they had, क्या उनका कोई है, a hobby, मशगला. Mr. Qazi ने जमात से पूछा कि क्या उनका कोई मशगला है, question mark. सादिक, सर जनाब, I have been collecting, मैं इकट्ठी करता रहा हूँ, pictures, तस्वीर of की great अजीम leaders रहनुमाओं. सादिक, जनाब मैं अजीम रहनुमाओं की तस्वीर इकट्ठी करता रहा हूँ. I'll bring, मैं लेकर आऊँगा, my, अपना collection ज़ख़ीरा of pictures, तस्वीर का, मैं अपनी तस्वीर का ज़ख़ीरा लेकर आऊँगा. आसिफ, सर जनाब, I have been collecting, मैं इकट्ठे करता रहा हूँ, coins, सिक्के. आसिफ, जनाब मैं सिक्के इकट्ठे करता रहा हूँ. I'll bring, मैं लेकर आऊँगा, them, वो, to be, मैं भी वो लेकर आऊँगा. Some of those, उनमें से कुछ, coins, सिक्के, are very rare, बहुत नायाब है. उनमें से कुछ सिक्के बहुत नायाब हैं. शिराज, सर जनाब, I have been collecting, मैं इकट्ठे करता रहा हूँ, postcard of के अदर दूसरे कंट्रीज ममालिक. शिराज, जनाब मैं दूसरे ममालिक के पोस्ट कार्ड्स इकट्ठे करता रहा हूँ. I'll bring, मैं लेकर आऊँगा, those, वो, मैं वो लेकर आऊँगा. असलम, I have been collecting, मैं इकट्ठे करता रहा हूँ, seashells, समंदरी घोंगे, मैं समंदरी घोंगे इकट्ठे करता रहा हूँ. कलेक्शन ऑफ डॉल्स, गुड़ियों का ज़ख़ीरा. वुड, करूँगा. लाइक, पसंद. टू ब्रिंग, लाना. सम ऑफ दोज, उनमें से कुछ. अपीयर्स, लगता है. गुड जॉब, अच्छा काम. सीम्स, लगता है. सेट, तैयार. प्लीज़, बराए मेहरबानी. कलेक्शंस, ज़ख़ायर. नेक्स्ट, अगली. फॉरगेट, भूलना. इनवाइट, दावत देना. पेरेंट्स, वालदैन. रिलेटिव्स, रिश्तेदारों. फ्रेंड्स, दोस्तों. एक्साइटेड, पुरजोश. क्लैप्ड, तालियां बजाएं. आइडिया, ख्याल. Kashif, my sister has a big collection of dolls. She has been collecting dolls from other countries and has been making dolls herself. I would like to bring some of those dolls to this exhibition. Kashif, my, मेरी, sister, बहन, has, के पास, a big collection, एक बड़ा ज़ख़ीरा, of dolls, गुड़ियों का. काशिफ, मेरी बहन के पास गुड़ियों का एक बड़ा ज़ख़ीरा है. She has been collecting, वो इकट्ठी करती रही है. dolls, गुड़िया. from, से. other, दूसरे. countries, ममालिक, वो दूसरे ममालिक से भी गुड़िया इकट्ठी करती रही है. and, और, has been making, बनाती रही है. doll, गुड़िया. herself, खुद भी, और खुद भी گڑیا بناتی رہی ہے. I would like میں پسند کروں گا to bring لانا some of those ان میں سے کچھ dolls گڑیا to this exhibition اس نمائش میں. میں ان میں سے کچھ گڑیا اس نمائش میں لانا پسند کروں گا. Mr. Kazi said, "It appears you have all been doing a good job. It seems all set now. Please bring your collections to school next Thursday for the exhibition. Don't forget to invite your parents, relatives, and friends to this exhibition." The children were so excited today, they all clapped. They liked the idea of a school exhibition. Now translation. Mr. Kazi said, نے کہا, it appears ایسا لگتا ہے, you آپ have been doing کرتے رہے ہو, all سب a good اچھا جاب کام. مسٹر قاضی نے کہا, ایسا لگتا ہے کہ آپ سب اچھا کام کرتے رہے ہو. اٹ سیمز ایسا لگتا ہے, all سب کچھ, سیٹ نو تیار ہے, ایسا لگتا ہے کہ سب کچھ تیار ہے. پلیز برائے مہربانی, برنگ لے کر آئے, یور اپنے کلیکشن ذخائر ٹو اسکول. نیکسٹ اگلی تھرسڈے جمعرات کو, فار دا کے لیے, ایگزیبیشن نمائش. برائے مہربانی اپنے ذخائر اگلی جمعرات کو نمائش کے لیے اسکول لے کر آئے. ڈونٹ فورگیٹ مت بھولنا, ٹو انوائٹ دعوت دینا, یور اپنے پیرنٹس والدین, ریلیٹیوز رشتہ داروں, اینڈ اور فرینڈس دوستوں, ٹو دس ایگزیبیشن اس نمائش میں. اس نمائش میں اپنے والدین, رشتہ داروں اور دوستوں کو دعوت دینا مت بھولنا. دا چلڈرن بچے, ور سو ایکسائٹیڈ بہت زیادہ پرجوش تھے, ٹوڈے آج بچے آج بہت زیادہ پرجوش تھے. دے آل ان سب نے, کلیپڈ تالیاں بجائیں, ان سب نے تالیاں بجائیں. دے انہیں, لائکڈ پسند آیا, دا آئیڈیا خیال, آف اے اسکول میں, ایگزیبیشن نمائش کا, انہیں اسکول میں نمائش کا خیال بہت پسند آیا. Now we shall do chapter number 4, an exhibition glossary. These are the glossary words. These are on the page number 21 from your book. You can also open your book. The first word is appreciate, admire, तारीफ करना, mum, silent, खामोश, utter, to make a sound with the mouth, منہ سے آواز بنانا یا نکالنا. ایگزیبیشن, a collection of things for public display, عوامی نمائش کے لیے چیزوں کا ایک مجموعہ. invite, ask someone to go or to do something, کسی کو کہیں جانے کے لیے یا کچھ کرنے کا کہنا. excited, excessively affected by emotion, ضرورت سے زیادہ جذبات سے متاثر ہونا. clap, تالیاں بجانا. to strike hands together, all set now, all arranged now, اب سب کچھ ٹھیک ہے. Now we shall do story, the kindness of Rasool sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Here is the story, the kindness of Rasool sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Once the Rasool sallallahu alaihi wasallam went out on a journey along with some of his companions. Birds were singing and chirping joyfully. One day the Rasool and his friends went to a trip. Birds there were singing and chirping with happiness. Chirping mean make a short or high sound. One of the companions of the Rasool sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw a nest in a bush. It was the nest of sparrows and there were two sparrow chicks in it. One of his friend saw a nest in bush. Bush means a plant with many small branches. The nest was of sparrows. Sparrows means birds. The nest of sparrows, and what he saw in the nest? There was two chicks in it. He picked up the young sparrow. All at once the sparrows came crying and began to fly over his head. He took one of the young sparrow. Then what happened? All the sparrows came and crying and they began to fly over his head. The Rasool sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked his companions why the sparrows were circling over his head. He told Rasool sallallahu alaihi wasallam that he had removed their young ones from their nest. The Rasul asked from his friend that why they are behaving like this, why they are circling over your head. He told the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam that he had taken one of their young ones from their nest. The Rasul was greatly moved. Moved means having strong feelings of sadness. He felt sorry for the poor little birds and advised his companions to put back the baby sparrow in its nest at once, which he did. The sparrows felt happy and cried no more. The Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam felt very bad. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam felt sorry for them. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave advice to that companions to put it back in its nest, and the sparrows felt very happy and they stopped crying. The Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam was kind and affectionate. Affectionate means showing liking not only to human beings but also to all creatures of the universe. For this very reason, Allah Almighty was pleased to bestow upon him. Bestow means give honor, the title of benefactor of all the worlds. Benefactor means a person who gives money to help others. The Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam also said, Allah will not be kind to him who is not kind to others. This is your home task. I hope that you have understood all the topics we have discussed today. Now I am signing out. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.